The final part of this question is to say what the range would be if the domain was restricted. So if this graph only existed between x values of -1 and 5, how would that affect the range, the possible y values that could come out the other side? So I can't change my GDC to only draw it from those values. It's going to draw the whole graph. But I now know that it only exists starting at -1 and finishing over here at 5, somewhere off the top of my screen here. So what I'm going to need to do is think, how is that going to affect the possible y values that can come out? The lowest y value is still going to be -0.5. I'm able to obtain this -0.5, so that's definitely going to be my lower limit still. But my upper limit is now not going to be infinity, because if I can only go from between x's -1 and 5, then my y value will only be able to get up to a certain value. So I'm going to go onto Menu and Trace, and Graph Trace, and I'll have a look first of all at -1. So I'll type in -1, and I can see that at -1, the y value gets as high as 12. If I then try and look at the other one, the other limit, which was when x was equal to 5, I can go over to the other side and I can see that y there is able to get up to a value of 24. So clearly a y value of 24 is the highest value I'm able to obtain on this graph if I have that limit to the x values. So to finish this up, I could say that my my y values, my range, is that the lowest value I can have is down here at -0.5, inclusive of the -0.5, and the highest value I can get is 24. I can't get any higher than y is 24.